Hello and welcome to a short video recipe on how to utilize bulk selection on the review page on Bookalope. In this video, we will show you how you can use bulk selection to select multiple elements in your document and the different key shortcuts available to help you edit your manuscript. Let's get started. Bulk selection is a particularly useful feature if you're dealing with a large document, as it allows you to select and modify multiple elements at one time. To streamline the editing process, Bookalope facilitates the automated bulk selection of paragraphs with the same styling, as you can see indicated in the toolbox, or images with the same content in your manuscript through the use of key shortcuts. No need to memorize these. You'll find a reminder of the key shortcuts at the top section of the review page. By selecting the checkbox whilst pressing the Alt or Option key, we have now selected all paragraph elements that have the exact same styling in the document. Now that we have this bulk selection, we can edit the labeling of all these elements in just one go. If you'd like to add or subtract a specific element from the bulk selection, simply press on the Meta or Shift key and click on the checkbox next to the individual element to remove it or include it in the selection. Let's remove this second paragraph element from our previous bulk selection. By selecting the checkbox whilst pressing the Meta or Shift key, we have now removed the paragraph from our bulk selection. By repeating the same process, we have now re-included the paragraph into the bulk selection. If your intention is to select multiple consecutive elements regardless of their styling, then press the Shift key whilst you select the first and last elements of your intended range. This method is particularly useful if you want to modify a specific range of text rather than carry out changes across the entire document. That's it. If you want to access more detailed information on how to use Bookalope to its fullest potential, you can find more short tutorials on how to use our tools on our YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can also find these in our online manual page. You will find all the relevant links in the description box below. Thank you for watching.